I miss the old days, tall Chevrolets, nice stand-up legs swinging on a tailgate. The old days when fist fights were fine, throwing hands didn't land you too much jail time. The old days when love was real and it burned in your soul like a moonshine steel. The old days, those days are gone, so I cherish the memories of the place I call home. Oh yeah.
There's a bridge on River Road where I painted my name with a couple of buddies with John Deere spray paint. We used to smoke on the green after the sun hit the hay and made it home by 9 or daddy's temper would blaze. In them high school front door shit, we was straight out the back, sitting in a deer stand chewing red man up by the pack. Them straight pipes on the 5-7 made us feel badass, sitting in the senior parking lot cranking up Johnny Cash. My grades, they wasn't great, but my heart is nothing but gold. Hospitality's priceless, it ain't about traded a soul. So before you judge my cover, won't you dive in my soul and learn I'm from another life? I'm like 200 years old.
I miss the old days, tall Chevrolets, nice stand-up legs swinging on a tailgate. The old days when fist fights were fine, throwing hands didn't land you too much jail time. The old days when love was real and it burned in your soul like a moonshine steel. The old days, those days are gone, so I cherish the memories of the place I call home. Oh yeah.
When I show up to a show, everybody knows I'm fucking there. Walk by like I'm stuck in silence, let the folks with cameras stare. I'm there to put my county on with muddy water in my veins. Countless nights on Indian Springs, praying I would catch my dream. Papa went to heaven, let me tell ya, I was lost in life. Almost got fronted them pounds to help keep on my family's life. But then I walked to a church in the midst of the night, put some tears on the tulips and the creation was bright. And I knew at that very moment the fight I was about to pick involved cowboy boots, guitars, and not giving a shit. So let me right to the beat of my two clicking Tony Llamas, live in a trailer with my family and a few saved up dollars. Church.
The old days, tall Chevrolets, nice stand-up legs swinging on a tailgate. The old days when fist fights were fine, throwing hands didn't land you too much jail time. The old days when love was real and it burned in your soul like a moonshine steel. The old days, those days are gone, so I cherish the memories of the place I call home. Oh yeah.
Corner store smells like Pall Malls. The cashier wears the same overalls. The cops wash the blood off their hands with the moonshine they took from the moonlight. Dirty South. Hey, 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 yeah. Dirty South. In the dirty South, dirty South. Cars burn into the dark sky. No leads, nobody knows why. Dead bodies in the trees where I get my soul. Dead end roads. Dead end roads lead to the small trails. headstones from the 1800s. Ghosts lurk till you feel the chill in your spine. In these pines, dirty South. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dirty South. In the dirty South, dirty South. Dirty South, you have raised me. Dirty South, Dixie made me. Dirty South, I love you, but sometimes you hate me. Times you hate me. Dirty South. Yeah, 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 yeah. Dirty South. In the dirty South, dirty South. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dirty South, dirty South, dirty South. From the west side, where the cowboys roam the night, the Monte Carlos rumble by under these faded old street lights. Oh, oh, on the west side, where rules don't apply for a man on a mission. Either you live or you die. This is my struggle, this is my story, this is my life. Whoa, welcome to my west side.
Born in the flood so I can breathe underwater. My father was a martyr on the cross for sons and daughters. Karma's got a price and I collected that payment. Smoke clears, burnt rubber, empty shells on the pavement. Smoke lingers, ears ringing, blood dripping from a trigger finger. Feeling like I'll never get right with God. If not, I'll gain his trust and gun down the devil. Boondock Saint, 2 Glocks and war paint. Soul not for sale and my heart's never faint. They kept saying that I couldn't, but I never claimed I can't. See, the grind's always worth it when you're searching for a purpose. I came up out the furnace, belt and boots made of surface.
From the west side, where the cowboys roam the night, the Monte Carlos rumble by under these faded old street lights. Oh, oh, on the west side, where rules don't apply for a man on a mission. Either you live or you die. This is my struggle, this is my story, this is my life. Whoa, welcome to my west side. I was 12 years old, walking the H&H Market for some big league gum and a NASCAR Liddell Earnhardt. Skateboarded at St. Luke's, ran from neighbors' pit bulls. Yeah, them things had no chains like a broken ass mongoose. Played T-ball at Charlotte Park with 210 Hillwood class. And I hung out with some crazies down on California Ave. I met them through my cousin Timmy the summer that I stayed out west. Riding around in that single cab, bumping the definition of real album. Who harder than me? Yeah, that shit puts me into that vibe. Makes me wanna pull out that 90s Monte Rosa tread off of them tires. And every time I pass Metro, I think about that time we swapped seats on I-40 doing 105. From the west side, where the cowboys roam the night, the Monte Carlos rumble by under these faded old street lights. Oh, oh, on the west side, where rules don't apply for a man on a mission. Either you live or you die. This is my struggle, this is my story, this is my life. Whoa, welcome to my west side. Whoa, welcome to my west side. Time. Time is everlasting. Time is behind you for thousands of years and in front of you for thousands more. We are the marks in the trees, footsteps in the woods, the ripples in the water, and the whispers in the trees. Our souls will one day lurk over the everlasting legacy of what we left behind for somebody else in the far future to stumble upon in a miraculous timing. Here today, done tomorrow. But one thing is for sure, we are upon, and one day will be, ghosts.
Hip-hop rocking to a ticking exhaust, like baptizing creek water, copperheads at my feet, slithering, hissing, but they ain't gonna bite me none. Rattlesnake venom dripping off the bullets in my gun. Smile kinda crooked from the tobacco up in my gums. Porch lights flickering cause the ghost filling my buzz. Hill clicking in the country, a place you'll never find, with a mean rock while there's blackberries on the vine. All I smell is muddy water, honeysuckles and deer meat. Cheatham County in my veins, dirty water has made me that rebel flag junkie, Mr. General Ely, with the voice of the mud, strong Harvey the D. When will the fall meets the road, and you hear the night all grow, and the trees release the ghosts to the ones who lost their souls. Whoa, 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 whoa. Son, I'm priceless, bone stock, old Camaro, and I'm in it to be a legend. Give a fuck about the narrow. My shit played when I'm 6 feet in the ground, 100 years in the dirt, still bumping my sound. While you dancing around the fire, while you sipping the shine, a tailgating with your buddies, puff, passing the pine, or simply chilling, watching the slow, changing the times. Think about me every time you start that fire.